Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. This is how you do it. I have an egg in here. I'm going to put 3 eggs in here in this macaroni. And while I'm doing this, y'all take the time to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And let me rinse my hand. Towel. It's my bleach towel here. Okay, we're going to put some black pepper in this, some salt, some garlic, some paprika, some milk, some cheese. Mix this all together. Black pepper in here. Well, you season to taste. So you see what I'm putting in it. You just season it according to your taste. Get your spoon and taste your food. That's just something I put in there. Let's see, some salt. Get some salt. Let's see. There's some milk in it. Eyeball it. Cup maybe. Depends on how many noodles you have. Stirring that egg up. I'm putting this on some cool noodles. If you would have put it on hot noodles, the egg would probably fry in the heat of the noodles. Now I'm gonna get some cheese and throw off in here too. Put some cheese all through it and put cheese on top of it and pop it in the oven, 350 to 400 degrees, till the cheese melt and look golden brown on there, how you like it. If you don't like it golden brown, you just like it melted, that's up to you, how you like your macaroni and cheese. Do you like your macaroni and cheese stiff, hard, and cut out a slice? Or do you like it cheese and gooey, you just pick it up like that and you see all the cheese dripping from it? That's up to you. Get the cheese. Me, myself, I like a creamy macaroni and cheese. I know it's stiffened up after sitting in the refrigerator for a while, then you got to cut it and afterwards. But when it first come out the oven, you want that hot, bubbly goodness. Put a little bit more salt in this. I salted the noodles when I boiled them to give them a little flavor. I'm using some Valerie. Valerie seasoned salt and Valerie garlic salt, baby. You can't work that with a stick for flavor. I know some people when got on this salt kick, but sometimes I don't really like using regular salt. I rather use Valerie salt because it has flavor in it, and it gonna flavor your food as it season your food. And let me get some of this garlic in here again, because you can't hardly taste this because this is not Valerie garlic salt. This is just plain old garlic powder. So you need to put it in there to get some of that seasoning in there. Or it'll just be macaroni with cheese on it. It won't have no flavor, just the cheese. And the cheese has to be seasoned too. So you go ahead on and season this. Then you ain't got to worry about it not being seasoned well. Okay. This is any kind of cheese you want. This right here is the shredded cheese you get out of Walmart. It has several different types of cheese in it, so I ain't got to worry about saying I got to pick this cheese, that cheese, and the other cheese to put in it. This covers it all. Now, normally, you make the best macaroni and cheese to me if you use Velveeta cheese. But since we don't have Velveeta cheese, this is what's in the house, we're going to make it work with this. And Velveeta cheese is not that expensive to get. You can buy that and keep it on the shelf in the house, because they keep it on the shelf. When you go buy Velveeta cheese, it's on the shelf at the supermarket. It's not in the refrigerator department. It's on the shelf. You feel me? So you buy it, you ain't got to worry about it going bad. You can stock it up and put it on your shelf, especially during a pandemic. You got your cheese and you ain't got to use up your refrigerator space. Maybe once you open it, but while it's all sealed and packaged up, you can leave it sitting out. I think that's great. Speaking on that, I need to get some. Then when I get ready to make macaroni and cheese, then I wouldn't have to worry about not having Velveeta. That's some good stuff right there, y'all. Now, put some on top, and then put it in the oven. That's all I'm going to do to it. Easy peasy macaroni and cheese. Simple, simple. Now, if this cheese right here melt and go on get golden brown, the inside of it is moist and tasting really, really good. You ain't got to worry about trying to just bake it till you think it's done. You can eat this now, but you know you want to go and put your stamp on it like it's macaroni and cheese. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about. Y'all done had macaroni and cheese before. We're going to stop this right here, this video right here, and bring it back on and let y'all see the finished product. Now that's all we're going to do. That's 20 minutes in, y'all. 20 minutes in. Now what I could do is take a little paprika and sprinkle over it, or a little parsley. Careful with it, just a little bit, just for show. See that? I'm gonna stick it back into the oven for about 10 more minutes. See, and then see what it looks like. I put it back in there for 10 more minutes. This is all that was done. I didn't get it golden brown and bubbly on top, but we're gonna put some on a dish. Willie said, "Get him a little bit of it. Don't worry myself. He'll test it out for me." See the cheese? That's what I'm talking about, baby. When you dip it out, it be all gooey and ooey. Willie said he don't want a small amount. I don't want nothing that small. See? And this is Val. This is how you do it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, that everything button. If you like yours more stiffer or more brown, just leave it in the oven a little bit longer. Bye-bye now.